In today's video, we are going to explore the AS608 fingerprint sensor in a completely practical and easy way. I will show you step by step how to enroll your fingerprint, how to control an LED using your finger, and even how to delete fingerprints from the sensor. By the end of this tutorial, you will have full command over the fingerprint module. So let's dive right in and get started. You will require the following components for this project: Arduino Uno, AS608 fingerprint sensor, 16x2 I2C LCD, LED module, buzzer, breadboard, and jumper wires. The AS608 fingerprint module is a compact all-in-one fingerprint processing device that combines an optical sensor with advanced fingerprint recognition technology. It is designed to be small, energy efficient, and highly reliable, making it perfect for DIY electronics and security projects. The module works fast, even with the dry or wet fingers, and quickly search and identify fingerprints with amazing accuracy. With a high resolution of 500 dpi, low power consumption, and a fast image capture time of under 1 second. The AS608 is both powerful and efficient. It communicates easily through USB or UART interface, allowing smooth integration with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or other microcontrollers. Its compact window area of 15.3 cross 18.2 mm make it ideal for special limited projects while maintaining top-notch performance. It consists of 6 pins: ground pin, RX pin, TX pin, 3.3 volt VCC pin, T out, and T3 V3. Connect the 3 volt pin of the fingerprint sensor with 3.3 volt on the Arduino Uno. Connect the ground pin of the fingerprint sensor to ground pin on the Arduino. Connect the RX pin of the fingerprint sensor to D2 pin on the Arduino. Connect the TX pin of the fingerprint sensor to D5 pin on the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the I2C LCD with 5 volt of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the I2C LCD with ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the SDA pin of the I2C LCD with a 4 pin of the Arduino. Connect the SCL pin of the I2C LCD with a 5 pin of the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the buzzer module with 5 volt on the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the buzzer module with ground pin on the Arduino. Connect the signal pin of the buzzer module with the 8 pin of the Arduino. Connect the R pin of the RGB LED module with D9 pin on the Arduino. Connect the G pin of the LED module with D10 pin on the Arduino. Connect the B pin of the LED module with D11 pin on the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the LED module with ground pin on the Arduino. Before we start enrolling fingerprints, we need to install the Adafruit fingerprint sensor library. Go to Arduino IDE, Sketch, Include Library, Manage Library, and search for fingerprint. and install the Adafruit fingerprint sensor library. Now go to File, Examples, Adafruit fingerprint sensor and open Enroll example. Change the TX pin to 5. If you want, you can use the same pin 2 and 3. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor. Since we want to enroll our fingerprint on ID 1, we will simply type 1. The monitor will then ask us to place our finger. Lift it and place it again. Once both scans are successful, you will see the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled. Now let's enroll 2 more fingers. For ID 2, tap 2 in the serial monitor. Place your finger, lift it, place it again. Perfect. Finger for ID 2 is successfully saved. Repeat the same process for ID 3. Type 3, place finger twice. And now all 3 fingerprints are enrolled and ready to use. Now it's time to test our system. When I powered up the Arduino, it will display message initializing on the LCD. Then the message will appear. Place your finger. When I place a registered finger, the LCD shows fingerprint matched and the red LED turns on. If I place the same finger again, it matches once more and the LED turns off. This means we are using the fingerprint as a toggle switch. Now let's try it with our other enrolled fingers. And that's great. It works perfectly. It's working perfectly. Each finger is being recognized instantly, just the way we programmed it. This shows how fast, accurate and reliable the AS608 fingerprint sensor really is. You can see that every valid fingerprint triggers the correct action, whether it is turning the LED on, turning it off, or simply confirming a successful match on the LCD. This kind of response time makes the sensor ideal for door locks, attendance system, and security-based automation projects. Now watch this. If we place a finger that is not registered, the buzzer turns on and the LCD displays access denied. Try again. This makes it a perfect security feature for access control. If you want to delete a specific fingerprint ID, just upload the delete example code from the library. Open the serial monitor and type the ID number you want to delete. For example, 1, 2, or 3. That ID will be permanently removed from the fingerprint module. And it's quick and easy. So friends, in this tutorial, we covered everything. Enrolling fingerprints, matching them, controlling an LED, detecting unauthorized access, and deleting IDs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.